Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene.
We're just going to be doing a few things this morning. This is a kind of a lazy Saturday for us. I'm going to be putting some chicken stock into a few plain jars. I'm making something special that she doesn't know about.
I have a hint, based on the ingredients he asked for.
She's busy doing some laundry. I'm doing some dishes here in the dishwasher. Once I have these things going, I'm going to make some breakfast for myself, and we'll go sit and watch some YouTube with breakfast.
Well, we've actually already done YouTube and
Well,
breakfast. He hasn't done breakfast. I've done breakfast.
I get
So
to do
this
breakfast.
is kind of a typical Saturday. We're kind of going in 16 different directions, but we consider this to be a lazy Saturday because we don't actually have a schedule we've got to adhere to. But I think that there's a lot of people that wouldn't think of it as particularly lazy. So,
I think it's lazy.
hey, sounds lazy to me.
Okay,
To work.
get back to work. Well,
It's 10:10 in the morning.
so that's 1 hour of our morning so far.
Yep, I've already been out to the greenhouse, removed all the covers from the seed trays, watered anything that needs to be watered.
I've washed dishes, Irene's dried them.
Yep, that's all set. Stock is canned. Now we just need to let this cool down.
I ate breakfast.
Yeah, I ate breakfast a long time ago.
That was before we started filming.
Yes. And yeah, so now on to our next set of projects.
I'm not sure what we're going to do next.
I don't know, I've got a list on my phone, but you know,
Well, let's go sit down and talk about it.
plotting.
Thanks very much for watching. I hope this is of some interest to you. It's a typical Saturday morning.
Yeah, just trying to, Friday afternoon, I always make pizza, which I did last night, and we don't clean up much. I mean, we put away the stuff after dinner, but we don't bother to wash the dishes and stuff. So there's always some stuff that we've got left over, and we make sure everything gets cleaned up from any projects during the week that haven't been finished, and that sort of stuff. So yeah, now on to the next stuff.
And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and push the bell for notifications because we're going to be doing some more today, and we'll be doing tomorrow, and Monday, and Tuesday, and oh wait, Monday I go to get more injections in my joints.
Right.
Tuesday we go get what?
Our second COVID vaccination.
What?
Yeah, it's kind of like, woo! And I figure 10 days after that, I've got a couple of friends I'm going to call, and we're going to go out and do lunch. Maybe, I think 2 weeks.
We'll talk with you later.
Bye.